Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to send Monopoly stickers on friends, how to trade stickers on Monopoly. So yeah guys, let's just start with it. It's so simple and very easy guys. So first off you have open your Monopoly app, and after that you have to tap on album at the right down in the corner. As you collect sticker within Monopoly Go, you are likely to duplicate stickers that you already own. Luckily you are able to trade these unwanted stickers with your friend. Then this project comprehensive breakdown how to trade sticker Monopoly benefits. So at least one duplicate sticker have at least friend added in game, so you know which sticker you have duplicate as relevant cards will you have or generator number. If you tap on relevant card, you will see send button at the bottom. From there you are able to see select which friend you want to send it, like this, send to friend. This is how you can do it. That's it guys, see you in the next video. Bye.